وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن والاه. We are on our final set of educational activities, Nashatat Ta'limiyya, regarding the first section of the book, Al-Qira'atu Rashida. This section, or reading, deals with Yawmul Eid, right? The 31st reading, Yawmul Eid, the day of the Eid. Al-As'ila, the first question. السؤال الأول: لما اجتمع الناس والأطفال عند الغروب? Why do the people and the children gather at the time of the setting of the sun? You read the story, if you're familiar with the story, if you read it and you understood it, you'll be able to answer. السؤال الثاني: بأي شيء دعا الآباء والأمهات لأولادهم? With what do the fathers and the mothers make dua for their children? What do they say? With what? What do they make dua for them with? What do they say? What do they ask for them? السؤال الثالث: ماذا فعل الأطفال صباح العيد? What do the children do, or what did the children do on the day of the Eid, on the morning? What did they do on the morning of the Eid? السؤال الرابع: ما موقف السعيد من ولد اليتيم? What was the position of Sa'id, موقف, his position, min walad al-yatim, from the orphan boy? What was his position regarding the orphan boy? والسؤال الخامس: ماذا قال الناس عندما ذكروا رمضان وتراويح? What did the people say when they remembered Ramadan and Taraweeh? What was their statement? What did they remember? All of these you can find in the text, or you might want to come up with your own. Maybe there's a phrase that they say amongst your people in your area when they remember Ramadan or Taraweeh, and you might want to bring that here. You really want to master it, you'll write out all of these sentences, questions, and then you'll write out complete answers, right? You'll ask them to a friend and have them ask you, and you'll answer and then they'll answer. And you will practice learning the language like this if you really want to get it, right? The second set of activities is حدد الصفة والموصوف في العبارات التالية. So you should basically define the adjective and the noun it is describing in the following sentences. And again, for the sifa, the adjective, you can give one line, the mawsuf 2 lines, or circle one of them and overline the other, or circle one and square the other, whatever you would like to do. Or you could make a column of sifa, mawsuf, right? My pen's not right in there for some reason, right? So you could do that, and then you could write all the words, right, in your columns, however you like. Or you could write them all out and make a chart, or circle and square, underline, one overline, 2 overlines, however you like. But find the adjective and the noun describing it in the sentences below, which are from the text. When you finish this, inshallah ta'ala, then I would appreciate it if you give me advice. Do you as the students, do we need to continue in the same manner that we were doing before, as far as reading the text and explaining basically every word, or should we change it up somehow? My idea would be to read the second section and just translate it as literally as possible, right? So that you can see what the words mean, to make sure. But other than that, not to explain every word in the root and all of that. You should be able to find all of that by now. So that was my idea. Or to just go on and move to another book I'm not really sure. I'm seeking the suggestions of the listeners and the readers. We may wait till after Ramadan for this to take place to give everyone a chance to catch up and to give their advice. We're not really sure. The more advice we get, the sooner we get it, the more and the quicker we'll make a decision. Anyway, I really enjoyed doing this with you. I benefited myself, and I hope that you have benefited as well. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us of those who are rightly guided and of those who are helping to guide others, to make us beneficial for ourselves and to make us benefit others, and to teach us what will benefit us and benefit us by what He teaches us subhanahu wa ta'ala. Our last dua is Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulihil Ameen wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'een. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.